What's up, y'all? Meet Bodyiana. She is the baddest trading bot of all time. I just want to show you guys a couple wins that this girl was able to catch. It is amazing, bruh. She was able to help me bank $5,000 overnight copy trading with TradeSyncer and using Quant Crawler's Ghost to trade all of this automatically. It is the greatest thing of all time. Every single prop firm that you see right here off of PropFirmMatch.com, you can use this automation to be able to trade with, and it will automatically do so. We'll talk about them more later on near the end of the video. They're really amazing. Now, Bodyiana has a friend, and she's an indicator. So she scans the market for you, and she'll tell you when to buy and sell based off of my breakaway strategy. You see that BGM caught a banger last night. You see that Danger Ranger caught a banger last night. You see that FGJ Ambition caught a banger last night. I even had to admit that these guys are outperforming me, bruh. It's crazy. You see Tanya Pixel caught 3 for 3. I can't pronounce his name, but you see he caught 2 bangers back to back. She said great start to her Monday. I mean, look at all the people winning with this beautiful, beautiful indicator that is helping traders get profitable. Come on, son. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how this thing works. So if we go to the chart right here and we hit replay now, it's gonna show you what happens when you guys are asleep, when you're with your family, when you're watching movies, when you're not even looking at the charts. So what happens is there's a high and low in the market, and price is just trying to make sure that it crosses a line because we trade the breakaway model. And with the breakaway model, all we're looking for is for price to break through and create a fair value gap. So because we had a breakthrough right here, Bodyiana is really just looking for quick scalps, quick base hits, because this is a base hits market right now. Now, you can adjust the take profit size, how wide you want the stop loss to be. You can do all of that in the settings. I'll show that in a bit. But this thing trades for you. Look at this. You have a limit buy right here. It would have got you in right here, and your TP would have got smashed, son. TP hit. It's actually really, really fascinating how amazing this thing is. It blows my mind every single time that I look at it. But watch this, y'all. You can adjust the take profit size, right? So you don't just have to go for a 1-to-1. Like, let's just say that the market is going incredibly crazy. And you're like, I want to go for a 1-to-5. You can 100% go for a 1-to-5, and you would have caught a banger going for a 1-to-5. Isn't that crazy? Okay, that's the breakaway bot. So I want to show off the indicator really quick because it's really, really incredible. You're not going to win every single trade, but you're going to win a majority of these things. I believe that the indicator on the 2-minute has a 90% win rate. Let's just go to like the 8th of June. I want to count how many wins and losses we have. We're not going to count this loss. We're just going to jump right into it. Let's see. All right, so we're in the market right here. Buy filled, TP hit. Okay, that's 1. Let's just go for like, let's try to go for 3. Buy filled, TP hit. Okay, that's 2. 2 trade win streak. That's really, really good. All right, TP hit. Here we go. And you guys see on the side where it's counting the streaks. TP hit. Okay, that's 2. Let's keep it going. All right, there we go. That's 3. All right, that's 4. Here we go. So you would have went on a 4-trade win streak, and every single trade that the indicator signals you to take, the bot is already taking it. So all 4 of those trades and those 2 losses, you would have took that. So you would have had 6 trades overnight unless you wanted to actually cut it off, and it will take the trade for you. It's crazy. And I also added a little file right here, you know what I'm saying? But I am so excited about this. I wasn't gonna share much on the beta testing portion of the bot, but it's getting crazy, guys. It's getting really, really insane. If you're looking for a prop firm and they're not on this website, futures, forex, or even crypto prop firms, don't mess with them, man. I'm trying to tell you, like, Prop Firm Match vets every single prop firm so that they can make sure that every single one of them is legit. There's been so many times where I've been scammed by prop firms, bruh, and I don't want that to be you. I don't want you to have to go through that. So make sure that you are on here. There's some prop firms that people love that is not on PropFirmMatch.com because they're scamming people. And I know people don't like Apex. I know people struggle with Top Step. I don't trade either of those 2. I know people struggle with Take Profit Trader, but at least they pay people out. You know what I'm saying? Like, At least they do that. There's prop firms out here that are claiming that they have hundreds of thousands of dollars of payouts, and they don't, and they're capping you. So if you're looking for a prop firm, make sure you find them on propfirmmatch.com. The link for them will be in the description. Now, QuantCrawler does have a whole bunch of different other features, but because we use Ghost, we're trying to make sure that we can get to the automation portion of it. So if you go to the broker section, you can see all the different brokers that they'll allow you to be able to trade with. So when you guys get the bot, when you get the automation, you can trade with TradeLocker, CTrader, Coinbase, Rhythmic, Project X, and Tradeovate, and I don't even know what that is, but you can trade with all of these different things, man, and it's really, really cool. Listen, guys, we're approaching 2027, and the banks, hedge funds, and institutions are already using automation with their trading. Why can't the retail trader do it? If prop firms are allowing it to a degree, if our own personal brokers are allowing us to trade this stuff to a degree, why the heck are we struggling in the market being emotional all the time when we literally could have something trade for us? I saw this thing last night place a trade for me. It was ranging. It was the moment where I personally would have got frustrated, but I felt like deep, deep in my soul, I felt like it was God telling me, don't interfere. Just allow it to happen. And it was ranging for the longest time. And it ended up running to my TP. It was the craziest thing. I've watched the automated bot just sit there, place the trade, not get emotional, not get out early, not break even too soon. It just waited, man, and price it TP. And I can only imagine what it was doing last night during London session while I was sleeping for me to be able to catch $1,000, man. I'm really excited. We're using this bot on Lucid right now, and I think it's gonna be really cool. I'm gonna go ahead and save my P&L card because I just like when I have a nice P&L card. My goal for these prop firms right now, because I'm personally probably not gonna trade anymore, I'm going to have the bot trade all of the different prop firms. So I do have a partnership now with TradeSyncer. So I'm pretty much just gonna stack up a whole bunch of different prop firms and just let them go for it. So because most of the prop firms allow you to have 5 accounts at once. I'll get funded with the 5 Lucid, get the payout with them. I'm gonna let the automation get me a payout. I'm gonna do it with Tradeify with their, I think it's their pro plan. It's the plan that you have to have 5 winning days to get the payout. I have not done that one yet. I'm gonna check out a couple other prop firms. I have a video on the prop firms that I think are gonna be best for stuff like this coming very soon. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, please, because you guys stay up to date. We really trying to make things shake. I believe that automation is 100% the future. I believe that we're not going to have to manually place trades anymore. I mean, unless you want a dummy account where you could just go crazy on it. But when it comes to like the personal account, the copy traded accounts, the prop firm accounts, you could just allow all of these different things to trade together. And it's just really, really insane, man. It's crazy what we're getting ready to enter into. And I really hope that you guys can be a part of it, man. My philosophy is I want things to be affordable and not to be expensive. So we're not gonna, as we say in the DMV, bust people over the head with the price. Like we're gonna make it fair, we're gonna make it affordable, we're gonna make it easily accessible for people that are just trying to exit the rat race. People that are trying to quit their jobs, people that are tired of working for other people, like people who have ambitions, man. I'm a music artist, right? So like by default, I got into trading to fund my music and provide for my family, but I ended up loving teaching people, and I love what I do. So, music has kind of been on the back burner just a little bit because I just love teaching, but it's all of that stuff that we're just working on, man. And I really want you guys to be a part of it. Hey, if this video seemed cool to you, I want to show you guys this video right here. We actually back tested the 2-minute version of the indicator, Bodyiana's cousin. Y'all got to check this out. I believe that the indicator now has a 90% win rate. It didn't at first. I believe it does now, and this video is foolproof.